In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can turn any object into a text frame in Affinity tree. So here in Affinity tree, we're going to first create an object, and you can do so by selecting one here in the rectangle tool drop down. You can choose whatever you want. So let's maybe make a triangle here, or you can choose your pen tool and just create a very random shape yourself. And then when you have the shape you want, you're going to select your selection tool and then go to layer. Make sure you have the object selected you want to convert. Go to layer and then choose convert to text frame. And now we have a text frame in which we can type, or we can copy paste selected text. As you can see, it's overset. If you do not want to see this overset text, you can click this eyeball here and now it disappears. And then just select the object you want to convert, go to layer, choose convert, and then choose text frame. And now you can type and enter the text you want to enter, just like this. And that's how you can make any object into a text frame inside of Affinity tree. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.